Look at this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 24 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the option package discount, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches rectangular, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, Sonoma red metallic, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black dark ash, cloth seat trim, audio system, a diagonal color touchscreen with interlining, FM3 Station HD, engine, 5.3L Ecotec 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, full value package, tires, P265/65R18 all-terrain, white outline leather and a suspension package. Off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.